Hi to all employers, how are your day? Thank you for the opportunities that you are giving me to introduce myself. By the way, I am Miss Michika Bagay at 36 years old, from Amoshan, Pinugpo, Kalinga, Philippines. A single, a college undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English at the Kalinga Colleges of Science and Technology, year 2009 to 2011. My work experience is I worked in Jordan in 6 years, 2 years in Qatar, 2 years in Singapore, 2 years in Hong Kong as a domestic helper and nanny. And also I am a certified caregiver and a first aider. My duties and responsibilities are taking good care of their children, ages 7 years old, 5 years old, a toddler, an infant, and also a newborn baby. I assist them going to school, take them shower, brush their teeth, dress up, fixing their hair, giving them also a breakfast, giving them also a nutritious food, giving them also a vitamins, and also monitor what time should I giving the milk. I sterilizing all their feeding bottles, and also I teach them a proper hygiene. And also, I organize a fun identificational activities like coloring, drawing, spelling, countings, readings, and identify colors and shapes. And sometimes we are playing, singing, dancing. While the kids in the school, I do the all household chores like ironing, cooking, marketing, car wash, and also washing all the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house. And also, I teach them to be kind and respectful, especially in the older people. And also, I can taking care of an elderly, and also I can taking care of the pet like dog and cat. Please, ma'am, consider my applications because you are going to hire the trustworthy, flexible, patient, honest nanny. I assure you that my main priority is the safetyness of your child. I do all my best to fulfill my duties and responsibilities as a nanny. Thank you, mom and sir. God bless.